Uncovering the truth about salad and its nutritional benefits. A. Explanation of the topic. Salad is a popular dish made from a mixture of raw vegetables, fruits, and other ingredients. It is usually served as an appetizer or side dish, but it can also be a main course. Salad is often seen as a healthy option, but there are many misconceptions about its nutritional value. B. Importance of understanding salad's nutritional benefits. Understanding the nutritional benefits of salad is important for maintaining a healthy diet. Salads can be a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. However, it is also important to be aware of the ingredients used in salad preparation, as some can be high in calories and fat. C. Purpose of the outline. The purpose of this outline is to provide an overview of the nutritional benefits of salad, dispel common misconceptions about it, and offer tips for making a nutritious salad. By understanding the health benefits of salad and how to make it a satisfying and nutritious meal, individuals can incorporate it into their daily diet and promote a healthy lifestyle. What is salad? A. Definition of salad. Salad is a dish made from a combination of raw or cooked vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, grains, and dressings. The ingredients are usually chopped or sliced and mixed together to create a colorful and flavorful dish. B. Types of salad. There are many different types of salads, including green salads, made primarily from leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, or arugula. Vegetable salads, made from a variety of vegetables such as cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, and carrots. Fruit salads, made from a variety of fresh or canned fruits such as berries, melons, and citrus. Grain salads, made from a variety of cooked grains such as quinoa, rice, or couscous. Protein salads, made from a variety of protein sources such as chicken, tuna, or tofu. C. Common ingredients in salad. Some common ingredients found in salads include leafy greens, lettuce, spinach, kale, arugula, etc. Vegetables, tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, carrots, onions, etc. Fruits, berries, melons, citrus, apples, pears, etc. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, etc. Grains, quinoa, rice, couscous, bulgur, etc. Protein sources, chicken, tuna, tofu, chickpeas, beans, etc. Dressings, vinaigrettes, ranch, Caesar, honey mustard, etc. Nutritional benefits of salad. A. High in nutrients. Salads are often high in vitamins and minerals, as well as fiber. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, salads can provide a range of nutrients that are essential for overall health. Vitamins and minerals. Salads can be a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and folate. These nutrients are important for maintaining healthy skin, immune function, and organ function. Fiber. Fiber is important for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Salads are often high in fiber because of the vegetables, fruits, and whole grains they contain. B. Low in calories. Salads can be a low-calorie option, especially if they are made with mostly vegetables and fruits. Choosing lower-calorie dressings or using them sparingly can also help keep the calorie count low. C. May reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Eating salads regularly may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. Cardiovascular disease. Salads are often high in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Diabetes. The fiber in salads can also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing and managing diabetes. Cancer. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables has been associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. Some studies have also found that cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli and kale, may have anti-cancer properties. Overall, incorporating salads into a balanced diet can be a great way to boost nutrient intake, reduce calorie intake, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Common misconceptions about salad. A. Salad is boring. One common misconception about salads is that they are boring and lack flavor. However, by incorporating a variety of colorful and flavorful ingredients, such as fruits, nuts, seeds, and flavorful dressings, salads can be delicious and satisfying. B. Salad is not filling. Another misconception about salads is that they are not filling and do not provide enough energy for sustained activities. However, by incorporating protein sources such as chicken, tuna, or tofu, and fiber-rich whole grains, salads can be filling and provide sustained energy. C. Salad is not satisfying. Some people believe that salads are not satisfying and may not provide enough satisfaction compared to more indulgent meals. However, by creating a balanced and flavorful salad with a variety of ingredients and dressings, salads can be satisfying and enjoyable to eat. It is important to keep in mind that not all salads are created equal, and it's important to choose ingredients and dressings that are healthy and provide the necessary nutrients for a balanced meal. By choosing high-quality ingredients and dressing in moderation, salads can be a healthy and satisfying meal option. Tips for making a nutritious salad. A. Choosing the right ingredients. When making a nutritious salad, it's important to choose a variety of colorful and nutrient-rich ingredients. Some tips for choosing the right ingredients include choosing a variety of leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, or arugula. Incorporating a variety of colorful vegetables, such as bell peppers, carrots, and tomatoes. Adding a protein source, such as grilled chicken, tofu, or chickpeas. Including healthy fats, such as avocado, nuts, or seeds. Incorporating whole grains, such as quinoa or brown rice. B. Preparing the ingredients. Preparing the ingredients properly is essential for a nutritious salad. Some tips for preparing ingredients include washing and drying vegetables thoroughly before using them in the salad. Chopping vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Grilling or roasting protein sources for added flavor. Cooking whole grains according to package instructions. Toasting nuts and seeds for added crunch and flavor. C. Dressing the salad. Dressing can make or break a nutritious salad. Some tips for dressing a salad include using dressings sparingly, as they can be high in calories. Choosing dressings that are low in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Making your own dressing with healthy ingredients, such as olive oil and vinegar. Incorporating flavorful ingredients, such as herbs and spices, for added flavor without adding calories. Tossing the salad with the dressing just before serving to avoid wilting the greens. By following these tips, you can make a nutritious and delicious salad that is packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other essential nutrients. Conclusion. A. Recap of the importance of understanding salad's nutritional benefits. In conclusion, understanding the nutritional benefits of salads is important for maintaining a healthy and balanced diet. Salads can be an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other essential nutrients, and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. B. Final thoughts on the topic. While salads are often thought of as a diet food, they can be a delicious and satisfying meal when prepared properly. By choosing a variety of colorful and nutrient-rich ingredients, preparing them properly, and dressing the salad with healthy ingredients, salads can be a great addition to a healthy diet. C. Call to action to incorporate salad into a healthy diet. I encourage everyone to try incorporating salads into their diet as a way to boost their nutrient intake and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Whether as a main dish or a side, salads can be a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. So next time you're planning your meals, consider adding a colorful and flavorful salad to the menu.